Okay, why does God care more about who we become than what we do?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Malachi speaks to people who were still doing religious activities while slowly losing honesty, passion, and sincerity inside. Let's slow down and look carefully. Outward actions can sometimes look correct even when the heart becomes distracted or emotionally disconnected. This might surprise you. The brain slowly adapts to repeated habits, even when those habits lose deeper meaning over time. Most people miss this part. Malachi focuses deeply on integrity, consistency, and the condition of the heart beneath outward behavior. Here is the deeper layer. God cares deeply about who people become because repeated attitudes slowly shape emotions, thinking patterns, relationships, and character.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Malachi describes people continuing routines while slowly drifting emotionally and spiritually. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Repeated careless habits were slowly weakening sincerity, gratitude, and emotional awareness. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. The story keeps showing that outward behavior alone cannot replace honest character and genuine faithfulness. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Emotional honesty and integrity slowly strengthen through repeated thoughtful choices. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still struggle doing things automatically without slowing down to reflect on deeper purpose. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Repeated sincere choices slowly train the brain toward integrity, wisdom, and emotional maturity.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated habits slowly strengthen emotional and behavioral pathways. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns patterns through repetition and emotional reward. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Careless attitudes slowly weaken gratitude, focus, and emotional awareness. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Integrity and thoughtful reflection slowly strengthen healthier emotional responses. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more sincere or more emotionally disconnected over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny daily choices quietly reshape the brain, character, and emotional health.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. People sometimes continue routines without thinking carefully about purpose or attitude. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Boredom and distraction can slowly weaken motivation and focus. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional exhaustion slowly reduces patience, gratitude, and self-awareness. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated careless behavior slowly affects relationships and emotional maturity. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Constant distractions often train people to move quickly without slowing down to reflect deeply.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Integrity usually grows quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily thoughtful habits slowly build emotional maturity and wisdom. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns healthier emotional and behavioral responses. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Gratitude and sincerity slowly become easier through repeated practice. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character, just like tiny drops of water slowly polish rough stones over many years.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during distraction or emotional frustration. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Emotional honesty helps the brain respond more thoughtfully. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one sincere response matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Emotional growth usually develops slowly through repeated practice. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small faithful habits slowly strengthen wisdom and emotional resilience.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Slow down and do one daily task carefully and gratefully today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to, even one thoughtful moment matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully, notice when distraction or frustration affects your attitude. 4. Adjust without quitting, emotional growth usually happens through repeated small choices. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again. Small faithful habits slowly create stronger integrity and emotional wisdom. Remember, strong character usually grows slowly through small sincere choices repeated over time. God cares deeply about the condition of the heart because repeated attitudes slowly shape the brain, emotions, and future. Every small faithful and thoughtful decision is helping your character, relationships, and emotional resilience grow stronger each day. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.